Here's an equation. Here's the equation you're going to be using in everything. The perpendicular distance to any point to any line is given by the following formula. D equals ax1 plus by1 plus c all over a squared plus b squared, alright? So we're basically going to use this formula every single time. Okay, that's all we need to work with. Now, we run in and we look for a question. The first question I'm going to look for is question 3. A bog standard question, right? Very easy. Here's all you have to do. A is what? 5. B is, what's B? Minus 3. What's C? 10. What's the point? X1 and Y1 is the point, and what's the point? 6, 2. Go into your formula, go, no bother. 5 times 6 plus, I say minus 3 because it's B. So minus 3 times 2 plus C plus 10, all divided by the square root of a squared plus b squared, which is 5 squared plus minus 3 squared. Now, 30 plus 40, 30 plus 10 taken by 6 is the modulus of 34. What do those two vertical lines mean? Has to be positive. And the bottom is actually going to be the square root of 34. So what's plus 34 divided by root 34? The answer is root 34. If you aren't too sure. Ah, 34. How about Q? So far so good. Just fill in the numbers and you're good to go. Now let's try and make this a bit more challenging, okay? Now very nice. 6 and 8 are reasonable challengers. Something with a bit of character to it. Alright, look at this, guys. Good work, Ben. Now, lads, you looking? Verify that 3x minus y minus 4 contains the point 2, 2. No bother. 3x minus y minus 4 equals 0. 3 times 2, take away 2, take away 4 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Consider it verified. Plug in the point into the line. If it satisfies the equation, it's on the line. Everybody cool with that? Now that's part 1 done. Hence, find the shortest distance between the parallel lines, this one and this one. If they're parallel lines, what does that mean? The distance in between them is always going to be the same. Is that okay? Distance always stays the same. What do you know about one of the points? One of the lines. One of the lines has the point 2, 2. Would you agree with that? And therefore, if I get the perpendicular distance from 2, 2 to the other line, it's the same thing as the distance between both lines. Now, where did my formula go? Oh, maybe I just copied and pasted it. Let's go for paste. There we go. That's all we need to do. Now, where people get mixed up is 2, 2 is your x1, y1. Everybody cool with that? And it's on the line 3x minus y minus 4 equals 0. However, this line here is 6x minus 2y plus 7 equals 0. So what's your a, b, and c value in this case? 6 and minus 2 and 7. Throw it all into the formula. Let's see how it goes. 6 times 2 minus 2 times 2 plus 7 all over the square root of 6 squared plus minus 2 squared. Alrighty. D equals 12 minus 4 plus 7. I think I'm getting 15 on top. I'm getting 15 on top. I'm getting the square root of 40 on the bottom. And then I'm just going to throw in 15 divided by root 40. That's yeah, there's your answer. 3 root 10 over 4 or 2.37. Is that okay? 2.37 or 3 root 10 over 4. Happy out? Alright. Now, really want us to focus in here because I need to get question 8 done in 3 minutes. It's going to be fun. So, we're going to use exactly the same material except there is no second line this time. So is everybody happy that's the point minus 2, 3? Everybody also happy that this is the line ax plus y minus 7 equals 0? Got that? A value is A, B value is 1, C value is minus 7. So far so good. D value, root 10. X1 and Y1 value? Huh? Yeah, no bother. Let's plug in everything. D gets replaced with root 10. A gets replaced with A. That gets replaced with minus 2. B gets replaced with 1. Y1 gets replaced with 3. C gets replaced with minus 7. And then underneath we're going to have to square it up. A squared plus 1 squared. Go with that? Now, let's multiply this out. And we get root 10 equals minus 2a. And what's 3 take away 7? Minus 4. All over the square root of a squared plus 1 squared. Somebody suggests a technique we should do. Square both sides. Happy days. Square both sides and you get, what happens when you square root 10? 10. What happens when we square this? Minus 2a minus 4 multiplied by minus 2a minus 4. And on the bottom, what happens when we square root? Plus a squared plus 1. Cross multiply. And we get 10a squared plus 10. That's when I multiply yellow by yellow to give me yellow. Then this green part here, I'm going to multiply all that out. I'm hopefully going to get 4a squared, 8a, plus another 8a, plus 16. Going to move it all on to one side. I'm going to get 6a squared minus 16a minus 6 equals 0. I'm going to get 3a squared minus 8a minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to go for 3, was it, plus, 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 plus. There we go. 3a, and that's going to be, that work? Oh, a. Give me a sec. Ah, 3. Thank you. Oh, that makes sense. So that's going to be, and should it be a minus? Oh, yeah, it should be a minus. My fault. Thanks. That's hold on. Minus 6 minus 3. And therefore, you're going to get this here. And you get your two a values down, don't you? A equals 3 and a equals a third. Find values of a, plural. Now, you guys are going to do, what did I do? I did 2, what? I did 3, 6, 8 is what I did in class. So you guys are going to do 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. And you're also doing what questions from the previous exercise? Question 5 and question 6 from the previous exercise. Awesome.